Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your PSN account on the Ps5. Use the account whose online ID you want to change. Make sure your console is fully updated and on a stable network so the change completes cleanly. Decide on a new ID and verify availability now, because once you pick one, you'll be prompted to confirm. Once done, you'll be ready to open the settings and move to the next steps to apply the change and understand any potential impact. You navigate to Settings, then User and Accounts, and open your profile to find Online ID. Type the new ID and use the on-screen suggestions to avoid availability problems. The system will show conflicts immediately. Read the warnings about display names in games and potential progress or entitlement issues, then use the preview to see where names change. If prompted about fees for additional changes, decide now. Once you confirm, the system will begin applying the new ID across supported titles. You confirm the change and allow the Ps5 to apply it, then sign out and restart the console to ensure the new ID propagates. Test your most important games to verify saved data, trophies, and cloud sync behaved correctly, because some titles may not link progress to the new ID. If you encounter broken entitlements or missing content, make sure you try the free one-time revert if available, and if that fails, contact PlayStation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.